Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by removing power to avoid shorts, disconnect the negative battery terminal, and set it aside. Once done, open the driver's side fuse panel and the center console access. This gives you access to harnesses and antenna routing. Make sure to lay out tools, trim tools, a multimeter, and the GPS module so you don't search later. You're doing this now to expose the wiring and antenna path. This prevents surprises when you splice and mount the GPS receiver. You route the antenna coax along the factory harness, keeping it away from engine heat and sharp sheet metal. This preserves signal. Next, identify constant 12V, ignition switch 12V, and chassis ground using your multimeter. Label each wire to avoid mistakes. Then splice power and ground into the vehicle harness using quality crimps or solder and insulate with heat shrink. Secure the module to a stable location with vibration damping tape. These steps ensure stable power and reliable GPS reception while driving. You finish by reconnecting the negative battery terminal and powering the ignition. The GPS module's LED or status indicator should light. Once it's powered, use the vehicle head unit or a diagnostic app to confirm satellite lock and a valid position fix. This verifies antenna placement and wiring. If you don't get a fix, check for common issues: no power, poor ground, broken antenna coax, or loose connectors. Reseat splices and test continuity with a multimeter.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.